In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful and super easy chevron stitch tablet sleeve or tablet cover. This is really easy to make. You can make this in really 2 hours and this is really classy. Just play with different colored yarns and you will get your perfect tablet sleeve or phone cover. So let's begin with the tutorial. Hi, I'm Shawari from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project, I have used 4-ply acrylic yarn and 3mm crochet hook. So let's begin. Take the yarn and then we will make a slip knot with it, insert the hook in it, and we will start doing our foundation chains. So we will be doing a total number of 29 chains at first. And at the end a chain 1. So in total make sure that the number of chains is an even number of chains. Now we will begin the first round. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook and do 1 single crochet stitch and also 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of in the remaining chains. So in total we are doing 29 single crochet stitch in this first round. At the end of the round, we will do a chain 2, turn our work and begin the second round. We will do the stitches in the second loop of the stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook in the second loop of the first stitch, draw the yarn through it, yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch in the second loop of the stitch, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now we have got 3 loops in the hook, draw the yarn through all the 3 loops. So this is a double crochet 2 together. Then we will be doing 1 double crochet in each of the following 13 stitches in this way. We will quickly complete the 13 double crochet. We began with a double crochet 2 together, then 13 double crochets, and then in the following stitch we will be having 3 double crochet stitches. In this way. After the 3 double crochets, we will be doing 1 double crochet in each of the following 13 stitches. In this way. Quickly complete it, and at the end we are left with 2 stitches, and there we will be doing a double crochet 2 together. And the second round is completed. We will do a chain 1 after that and turn our work. We will begin the third round. So in the first 2 stitches doing single crochet 2 together, then in the following 13 stitches we are doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. After all the 13 single crochets are done, in the next stitch we will be doing a total of 3 single crochets, and then after that in the following 13 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those in this way, and at the end we are left with 2 stitches, and there we will be doing 1 single crochet 2 together, and this round is completed. See, an arrow kind of shape is already being formed. After that we will do a chain 2 and turn our work. We will begin the next round as usual. In the first 2 stitches we will be doing a double crochet 2 together stitch. Then in the next 13 stitches we are doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. So we are having alternate rounds of double crochets and single crochets. Okay, after 13 double crochets are we will be doing 3 double crochets in the next stitch. This is the central portion of the row, and then again after that, as usual, in the remaining in the following 13 stitches, do 1 double crochet in each one of those, like this. And then we are left with 2 stitches. There we will be doing a double crochet 2 together. And chain 1, turn your work, and we will just do the same stitches. That is, in the first 2 stitches do a single crochet 2 together, and in the following 13 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. Then we will reach the central portion. In the next stitch do 3 single crochets, and then in the following 13 stitches do 1 single crochet in each one of those. Finally, we are left with 2 stitches at the end. There we will be doing a single crochet 2 together stitch, but here we will do a color change. So you can see 3 loops in the hook. We will just fold the pink colored yarn in the around the hook and draw it through all the 3 loops, and color change is done in this way. After that we will do a chain 2, and we will repeat the previous round here. That is, begin with double crochet 2 together, followed by 13 double crochets, and then 3 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by 13 double crochets, and then 13 and then at the end a double crochet 2 together. I hope you understood how I did the color change. We will proceed just in a similar way as before. So this is the basic way how you will be doing the chevron stitch. Play with different kind of colors. So as you know, we are making a tablet sleeve, so I made the desired number of length so that the tablet fits inside. Okay, now we will be doing the border. So in the side we are doing the border along the side. So in the single crochets we are doing 1 single crochet. Then you have got the hole of a double crochet. There you will be doing 1 single crochet, and then around the stem of the double crochet you will be doing 2 single crochets. And we will proceed like this. That is, single crochet in the single crochet stitch, then 1 single crochet in the hole of the double crochet, and then 2 single crochets around to the stem of the double crochet. I hope you're understanding that we are doing the stitches along the side, okay, not along the top or bottom side. So this is how we will proceed along the side. So we have come to the end. Make sure that your side does not become crooked while doing the border stitches. So that's why I chose to do 1 single crochet in the single crochet stitches of the rows, 1 single crochet in the hole of the double crochet, and 2 single crochets around the stem of the double crochet. Okay, now we will be doing the single crochets at the lower side. So lower side we are having the foundation chain, so we will be having 1 single crochet in each chain. Okay, so this portion is really easy. I hope you can do it by yourself. So complete the border. So in this way we will complete the sides and the lower and top portion of our shape, and it's done. The first round is completed. Okay, now for completing the first round, we will just slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1 and again proceed with the next round, that is one single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. Okay, so we are in this round, we are having one single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round throughout all the 4 borders. Okay, now if you want, you can increase the number of rows for the border. I have done a total of 4 rows of single crochets for the border, and at the end cut the yarn when you have got your desired width of the border. Okay, make sure that your tablet sleeve tablet fits inside this sleeve. Fold it in this way so you will get an envelope type of shape. Just make sure your tablet fits well inside the sleeve and it's ready. So the next work is stitching the edges. Now the stitching portion is really easy. I have already stitched the edges with needle and yarn, and the tablet sleeve is now completely ready. So I hope you found this tutorial easy. I hope it was easy to follow. If you liked this tutorial, and see how beautiful it looks, now you will make your increase or decrease the number of rows based on the size of your tablet. Okay, so this is how your end product looks. I hope you liked this tutorial, you found this helpful. This is really pretty, a very beautiful gift for your dear ones. You can make this for yourself. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you, have a great day, and subscribe to my channel.